How to connect Spotify to Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will show you how you can connect Spotify to your Discord account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to connect your Spotify to Discord and then show the songs that you're listening on Spotify to your Discord status, so make sure to watch the video till the end. What you want to do is, first of all, open up the Discord application. Once you launch the Discord app, come to this little icon from the bottom right. Once you come to this profile page here, you want to switch to the option called connections, as you can see, and over here you want to add Spotify. If you've not yet added it, tap on the add button from the top right hand side. Here you simply want to choose Spotify app, and once you choose Spotify, enter the account credentials of which you want to connect your Spotify account to. So I'll also go ahead and then enter my accounts as well, respectively. Once I enter my account email, I'm also going to go ahead and then enter my password. Once I enter my account password, I'm going to tap on the login option, and here you'll see this kind of interface, so just tap on the agree button as well. Now once you tap on the agree button, it says connected your Spotify account to Discord, but we're still not done yet. There is still one more process that we have to do, and in order to complete that process, first of all we have to turn on the toggle called display on profile. Now even if we listen to songs on Spotify right now, it's not going to show us. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open the Spotify application, log into that exact account which you signed in on your Discord account. So I'll also go ahead again, try to log into my exact account over here. Once I log into my exact account, I'll just tap on the login option. Now after you log in, you'll basically see this kind of interface, so let us wait until it has been loaded. Now what you want to do right now is to tap on the gear icon on the top right hand side, and then here you'll find all these options over here. You want to look for the option called device broadcast status. As you can see, it says allow other apps on your device to see what you're listening to. Make sure to turn this toggle out, because if it is not turned on, it is still not going to show what songs you're listening. So now when I come to this profile page over here, and then you tap on your profile icon, you can see it is showing listening to Spotify right now, and you can see this is a proof, because even if I go ahead and change the song right now over here, it is going to change the song in the Spotify active status as well. And that's all it takes to connect your Spotify account to your Discord account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.